many viewers were surprised to see Matt Hancock make it to the final of this year's I'm a Celebrity. Get Me Out of Here, with stars such as Mike Tindall and Sean Walsh missing out on the final day. Despite the MP's impressive stint in the jungle, some ITV viewers took to social media to claim Matt was visibly gutted at not making it all the way to the end. In Sunday's final, Ant McPartlin and Declan Donnelly revealed Matt had finished in third position before the phone lines were reopened. Some fans felt the MP's facial expressions gave his true feelings about not winning away. At Tom_Coughlin tweeted, "Matt Hancock looks more gutted that he hasn't won #I'm a Celebrity than when he had to resign as health secretary." At Ansaris10 remarked, "Matt Hancock is genuinely gutted he didn't win, isn't he? #I'm a Celebrity." Read more, Matt Hancock visibly gutted he is out. He genuinely thought he was going to win. #I'm a Celeb, at Richard Braun wrote. At Mark Borkowski added, "Matt Hancock looked gutted finding out he failed to win at I'm a Celebrity, what an ego. His move on or start a new project has hit the buffers. Reality beyond the jungle is a brave new hell." On Monday, representatives for Matt confirmed the MP would be returning to the UK this week. A spokesperson for Matt Hancock said, "Matt will be in West Suffolk this week and the second reading of his dyslexia screening and teacher training bill will be heard in Parliament on Friday." The MP for West Suffolk spent his first day outside of the jungle partying with his girlfriend Gina Coladangelo and his former campmates. Before entering the jungle he assured the public he would return to his constituents as soon as possible. Meanwhile, it appears Coronation Street star Sue Cleaver has snubbed her former campmate. She follows all the other stars of the series including Olivia Atwood except Matt. The MP, however, follows the Coronation Street stalwart. During her stay in the jungle, Sue made it clear she was uncomfortable by Matt's presence. Sean Walsh said to Sue and Chris Moyles, "That man will have a very different account of what he did to what we all think happened and there will be reasons. I'm not justifying anything that guy did or certainly the decisions the government has made, but FK being in his job when that was going on. I totally agree with you," the Coronation Street star replied. "But the choice after everything that happened and the impact on everybody at home and families and people in homes. To make a choice to come into I'm a Celebrity, Get Me Out of Here, does not sit well with me. I'm a Celebrity, Get Me Out of Here is available on the ITV Hub.